Hi guys, welcome to this video. The day has finally come. Today I'm gonna cut my hair into a bob, probably here, and I'm gonna dye the ends in this beautiful spring green. Well, it's not that beautiful here on the container, but it looks really bright, sort of like the Joker green. And I'm gonna dye a little small piece of it here in green, and I'm super excited. I never had my hair so short since I was like 4 years old. So I think I'm going to do a vlog, so follow me. Here we are. Time to get something like that. He's going to be my hairstylist for today. Is Gianluca, che sta ridendo. And we're gonna cut the hair here. This is how much we cut. Goodbye.
Yeah.
Un po' di celeste. Oddio. Sì. Un po' sì, con i lavaggi sì.
Guarda, comunque per le altre 2 o 3 volte.
Oh my gosh, I'm done, guys. I can't believe I cut my hair so short. Oh my god. But oh my gosh, I feel refreshed, and I didn't expect it would look so good, so puffy. And they're so much healthier now since they're so short. Oh my gosh, guys, I hope I'm not going to regret it tomorrow. I love them so much. I love this shade of green. I love the cut. I love everything. Oh my gosh, guys. I love this shade of green. It's been a year since I'm repeating always the same story. I need to cut my hair, want to cut my hair, want to change, I want to make the end green, I want to cut, and then I always thought about it. No, I'm going to regret it, I'm not going to do that. And then today I say, no, I'm going to do or today or no more. Okay, I'm gonna stop it right now. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like it. Remember to like, subscribe to my channel, and put the notification bell on so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye, and I really hope you're gonna like my hair.